Alright guys, so we got a 2017 Civic. If you guys got a failed motor for power steering pump and your steering is hard, this is your motor right here. The motor has one bolt. It's probably got another one on the other side, and you disconnect this little guy right here and take off this plate and everything. There's a 10 mm up on the top. This guy comes out. Where we come to failure in here, there is a small little a coupler inside. Sometimes when that goes bad, it will make a click 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 sound. Other than that, if you need to replace the whole rack, it's all up to you, but you can simply take off this 10 mm bolt here, and then there's one on the other side. It's only 2 bolts holding this baby down, 2 or 3 maximum, and your connector come out, and there's gonna be a couple of harnesses up there, 1 or 2 connectors, and they come off and replace your power steering motor. It shouldn't be that hard. All I did was you're gonna have to take off this cover here. There's gonna be a cover here, this big flap here. You see this little guy right here? I got it folded to the front. So it has 10 mm bolt. It has a clip, 10 mm bolt, 10 mm bolt, and it got a whole bunch of clips around it, and the whole thing just comes off. It should be no more than an hour and a half job if you take your sweet time and get this baby out of there. You can buy a used one. Rack and pinion, you're gonna have to take out this, you're gonna have to take out everything there. There's a connector here that runs through here, but this is the main connector for this baby. This is the main connector, and I would, if you want to, this does have like a sensor in the steering right there. If that fails, it wouldn't know where that's pretty much, that sensor detects the turns and everything on this baby, and it's right in front of you. It's looking at you. If you guys got questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Do disconnect the battery first, scan for codes, and it doesn't have a lot of voltage, but try not to go crazy. But it does got negative and positive. This is the main power supply right here. This is the main power supply for this guy, and everything else is just a control sensors and electric power steering. And it gave me a hard time to work on that starter motor that was up there, but that's why I took off all this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.